activity has slowed across the region. It's Friday, May 13th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. There are signs that some segments of the market are shifting this spring, as both closed sales and pending sales were down in April compared to 1 year ago. Inventory may have also bottomed out as supply increased notably between March and April. The Baltimore metro area prices increased 6.7% to $360,000, and the homes on the market are up 3%. Maryland suburb prices are up 9.9% to $475,000, but homes on the market are down 8.5%. Southern Maryland prices are up 12.1% from last year to $400,000, and inventory is down by 7.1%. All markets combined, 1,606 properties are coming soon. 1,626 homes were listed for sale, a decline from last week. 789 went under contract in 8 median days. 1,229 are temporarily off the market, on par with last week. 1,484 went to pending in 6 median days. 1,638 properties settled in 6 days at 102.4% list to sold ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Potomac for $7,400,000. On the rental front, inventory fell to 1,083 rentals. Most rentals are still going under application in 12 days at $2,200 per month. If you are thinking about buying a home, be sure to get our spring home buyer guide at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, May 13th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time.